Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we learn kitchen vocabulary. Let's start. Apron, apron. Chopping board, chopping board. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Napkin, napkin. Whisk, whisk. Grater, grater. Oven gloves, oven gloves. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Oven, oven. Blender, blender. Pressure cooker, pressure cooker. Stove, stove. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Toaster, toaster. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Kitchen scale, kitchen scale. Spice container, spice container. Measuring cup, measuring cup. Peeler, peeler. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Jug, jug. Glass, glass. Frying pan, frying pan. Teapot, teapot. Knife, knife. Bottle, bottle. Bowl opener, bowl opener. Cooker, cooker. Strainer, strainer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.